So the red birds are out on my rock crawling course. There's a male, there's another male and a female over there in those mesquite twigs. There were 3 or 4 out there earlier. I guess a female. There's a couple of guys there. But yeah, what happens on the rock crawling course on a cold day? We got some rain and a little bit of sleet, I guess you call it. There's another one. I don't know why all of a sudden they're all showing up and they're all over there. Besides, they look like they're pecking at the ground, like there might be some kind of critters over there. I think there's one over there behind the rock over there. Yeah, I know, exciting footage, isn't it? All right, that's it. From the birds on the rock crawling course, Half Full Monty out.